In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with TrueKey by McAfee, a password manager that promises both security and simplicity. TrueKey offers features like AS256 encryption, biometric login support, and multi-device sync, aiming to make password management easy for everyday users. In my testing, the setup was quick and autofill worked smoothly on most browsers and mobile devices. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, but the free plan only allows up to 15 passwords, which feels quite limiting. The premium version removes that cap, but compared to other managers like Bitwarden or 1Password, it's slightly pricier for what it offers. On the plus side, integration with McAfee's ecosystem adds an extra layer of trust for users already in that environment. However, the lack of advanced features like password sharing and secure notes customization makes it less appealing for power users. Overall, TrueKey is reliable, safe, and easy to use, but not the best value if you need advanced tools or manage many passwords. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech insights.